How's it going, everyone? Hunter Weiss here. So first of all, this is Midjourney. I did a tutorial yesterday on it. I've learned something new in the past 24 hours. So you see how you can see all these people's generations and posts, and it's kind of annoying. So if you're doing your own generations, you want to have them in one place. So today I'm going to show you how to set up your own server in Discord so that you can have your own generation channel. So you can come down here to the plus button. You can do add a server, create my own for me and my friends. You can do Hunter Midjourney pictures. Click create. Okay, now you're in your own channel. You're gonna go back to Midjourney and you're gonna click on the bot. You're gonna click add to server. Then you're gonna select your server. Come down here, Hunter's Midjourney pictures. Click continue. Authorize all of these. Click I'm human. Lemon. Good. I'm a bit sick today. Lemon. More lemons. Good. Come on. There we go. Done. So it's authorized. You can X this out. You can come back up here. And should be able to go /imagine. Perfect. Generate a lemon tree hanging over the ocean with hyperrealism and National Geographic style camera angle, 8K quality, tons of colors, sunset, and make it tropical. --AR 16:9. Enter. See if this works. This should work, and it should allow you to not have to see everyone else's generations. And also, the best part is now you know where all your images are. You don't have to go back and find them. So generations are working. I'm always impressed when I see this stuff. All right, pretty good. But now you know where it is. You can request variations of these ones. I think V3 is the best. And now you have your own Midjourney generation channel for $10 a month. Amazing. All right, I'm out. Hope that was helpful. Peace.